Join me now on the program is John Toohey with R.J. Groner, Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. John, great to have you here on the program.
Hey, George, thanks for having me again
Hey,
today.
we're going to talk about old air conditioners. It might be time to upgrade.
If you have an old, outdated, just some type of energy hog air conditioner that's just really spinning your electric meter, there's no better time than right now to change that air conditioning system out and upgrade to something way more efficient.
Why is that, John? I understand you have a program going on right now that everybody can take advantage of.
This year, we actually got involved with a finance program for our customers that allows customers to buy an air conditioning system for as low as $89 a month.
Wait a second. Did you say $89 a month?
Yeah, as low as $89 a month.
Wow.
And here's what we're really excited about. A lot of times you have an emergency at this time of year. Go to turn your air conditioner on, no AC. This is something completely unexpected. So you have an opportunity to get this financing program, get a system in for as low as $89, and what we're really, really happy about, no prepayment penalty. You could pay it off at any time. So you have the emergency, get it taken care of. Next year when things are a little bit better, just pay it right off and you're done.
So what are some of the advantages of having a new air conditioner?
So George, one of the biggest advantages is energy savings. And we all know right now the cost of energy is going through the roof.
Right.
So upgrading that old system that's inefficient to a new high efficiency unit, such as the ones that we have here, it's going to save you a lot of money. Second thing, reliability. You just don't want to be in that situation where it's 95 degrees out in the middle of July and you have a breakdown in your system. You have guests coming over, you have all of this going on, and this is the busiest time of year for all heating and air conditioning companies.
John, I can't help but notice this new system behind us here. It really looks different. Tell us about it.
George, I was hoping you would take notice of this actually. So one of the big changes we're seeing in our industry right now is a move away from the traditional square cube unit that has gotten bigger and bigger over the years to these fantastic side discharge units. A lot of technology packed into here, a lot of energy efficiency, and look at that profile. Small unit, real slim fit. People are going to be really happy when they start seeing these showing up at their property.
John, if somebody has a mini split system, does that qualify also for the as low as $89 a month?
Absolutely, George. We actually have that built in as well.
I understand you can go online to get a free estimate.
One of the biggest fears, how much is it going to cost? Well, we introduced a tool online where you can go to our website and actually get a live quote on a replacement system and get a great idea of what it's going to cost you. Everything from a budget system all the way to the best thing on the market.
Now, everybody's cooling system needs may be a little different, so as low as $89 a month can change depending on several factors.
You're absolutely right, George. There could be complications for install, there could be sizing issues, there could be multiple systems at the house, so there are a lot of factors that go into it, but we worked really hard to find a balance between all of that and come up with a financing program that would allow you to get down at least to as low as $89, maybe a little bit higher depending on your situation, but still very affordable and very reasonable.
And your team can come out, take a look at what they have now and figure out what they need to do the upgrade.
Absolutely, George. And here's another great feature we have. You can go online and book that anytime. You don't even have to call in to do it. You can set up an appointment right online with us, get it scheduled, and our team will come out, meet with you, go over your needs, and get you taken care of.
John, you guys make this so easy to do. And R.J. Groner has been in business for over 95 years.
Yeah, George, and not only that, but we are a third-generation family-owned business. We provide 24-hour emergency service, and you're always going to get a live person when you need help.
John, if people want more information about R.J. Groner, how do they get it?
George, we tried to make it as easy as possible. Go online and find us at rjgroner.com, book online at rjgroner.com, text us at 570-421-7260, or call traditional